Assalamu alaikum grade 6 and welcome to the new lesson percentage of a shape. In this lesson we are going to learn how to find the percentage of a shape, or actually in other words we can say of a fraction. So let's get started. The shape is divided into equal parts. What percentage of the shape is shaded? You see the shape, it's already divided into 5 parts and 3 parts were shaded. We are asked here to find the percentage of the 3 shaded parts. We can write the shaded parts as a fraction, like 3 out of 5 parts are shaded. This means 3/5 of the shape is shaded. Now we can say that this is a fraction and we want to know the percentage of this fraction. By the way, every time when we want to find a percentage of a fraction, we need to find an equivalent fraction that has a denominator 100. So we're going to find the equivalent fraction, which is the equivalent fractions for the fraction 3/5, which we have to multiply the fraction by 20. So it will become 3 times 20 is 60, 5 times 20 is 100. We did that because we need a fraction with a denominator 100, because you know that percentage means out of 100. Always percentage means out of 100. So 60 over 100 equals 60%. 60% of the shape is shaded. Now we can describe the shaded parts of the shape by saying 60% of the shape is shaded. Another example is here. The shape is divided into equal parts. What's the percentage of the shape is shaded? We're going to do the same thing. We have 6 out of 8 parts are shaded, as you'll see here. This means 6/8 of the shape is shaded. Now we're going to find an equivalent fraction for this fraction 6/8 with denominator 100. But as if you notice here, we can't find the number that we multiply by 8 to give us 100. So what should we do? In this case, we need to find or to make the fraction into its simplest form, or in other equivalent fraction that can help us finding another equivalent fraction with a denominator 100. So let's look at that. It's 6/8. Its simplest form is 3/4. We divided this by 2, we got 3/4. Now it's easy for us to find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100 by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 25. So this will become 57 out or over 100. Now we got the fraction with a denominator 100. This means 75%. So we can say 75% of the shape is shaded. That's all for today. Now it's your turn to go to the homework and do some exercises relating to this topic. See you inshallah in the next lesson.